Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nuryanti Mukaroma with name 24070301999 from Management G. In this video, I will talk about Steve Jobs. First is introduction. After developing the Apple I computer in 1976, American businessman Steve Jobs found himself at the forefront of an industry on the verge of an explosion. Their fledgling enterprise, the California-based Apple Computer Incorporated, now Apple Incorporated, quickly set the standard for personal computers. At that time, he introduced a series of innovative new products and saved the company that he had co-founded. Early life and education. Stephen Paul Jobs was born on February 24, 1955 in San Francisco, California. He was adopted as an infant and raised in Mountain View, California. In 1972, Jobs entered college in Portland, Oregon. Although he dropped out after one semester, he stayed on campus for a year while taking classes in philosophy and immersing himself in the counterculture. In 1974, Jobs took a position as video game designer at Atari. Later that year, he traveled to India to experience Buddhism. Career. Jobs and Wozniak built a computer in Jobs' garage. They called in the Apple I. In 1977, the friends realized the Apple II sales were so high that their company, also called Apple, soon became one of the top companies in the United States. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh, or Mac. It featured a mouse and a picture-based screen. The Mac did not sell as well as personal computers that use Microsoft software, see Bill Gates. The directors of Apple fired Jobs in 1985. Jobs formed a new computer company called NeXT. He also bought Pixar, which made computer animated movies. Pixar's success made Jobs a billionaire. After Jobs' departure, Apple market share continued to erode in favor of companies whose computers used Intel's microchips and Microsoft Windows operating system. In 1997, Jobs was asked to lead the company once again. Next is health and death. Meanwhile, Jobs had to contend with serious health issues. He had surgery to treat a rare form of pancreatic cancer in 2004. Following a short recovery, Jobs returned to running Apple. In 2009, The Wall Street Journal reported that he had received a liver transplant. Although he returned to work later that year, he took another medical leave of absence in 2011. In August, he resigned as CEO but became chairman. Jobs died on October 5, 2011 in Palo Alto, California. In 2022 US, President Joe Biden honored him with the Presidential Medal of Freedom. So guys, that's all I can share. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. See you next time and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.